Day is it's a place where community gets together, they're able to get resources, and it's a great time to celebrate the contributions and traditions of the very diverse community here in the Mason District.
Mason District is a cultural hub because we are the most diverse district of any of the 9 districts. And it comes out in our food, in our music, in our neighborhoods. It's just a wonderful place to live, to visit. And it's just a wonderful day for everyone to be able to walk around, but also learn about some of the resources that we're offering in Fairfax County.
The Mason District is one of the districts in Fairfax County that is most diverse. So we have people from Hispanic background, Asian community, Middle Eastern, Africans, and it's a great time to gather together as one community and not only uplift each other by sharing these stories, but also creating this unity, creating this sense of community, because we all do better when we work together.
One of the great things about having events like Culmore Day focused here in the Culmore area is it gives people a chance to get together, because the end goal is to build community, and sort of reinforces the idea that culture is important, and your culture and our culture and everybody's culture are equally important.
It's critically important to make sure that the community knows that we're one. We aren't separated, there aren't silos. We are here to celebrate our unity, our community, and making sure that we all feel not only safe, but excited and happy to be here in Mason District.